I will instruct you and teach you in the way you should go. I will counsel you with my eye upon you. Psalm 32:8. St. Mary's English Medium LP School Annual Report 2025-26. Introduction. With heartfelt gratitude and pride, I, on behalf of St. Mary's English Medium LP School, am honored to present the annual report for the academic year 2025-26. We are blessed today by the esteemed presence of Reverend Sister Elsamma Kurian, Provincial Superior, who presided over the function, Reverend Father Joseph Nelson, who inaugurated the function, Sri Lafin PTA President, Srimati Reena Ramesh, Ward Member, our Superior, Reverend Sister Lima, and our beloved retirees, Reverend Sister Beena Sebastian, Headmistress, Srimati Shaila K., Srimati Rosie Thomas, and who are supportive parents, dedicated teachers, well-wishers, and our loving students. A warm good evening to one and all. St. Mary's English Medium LP School was founded in the year 1994 and run by the Sisters of St. Anne of Tiruchirappalli. This academic year has been a harmonious blend of excellence, values, creativity, innovation, and progress. Praveshanotsavam, the grand opening. The academic year began with a joyful opening. LP and UP school jointly conducted Praveshanotsavam on Monday. The inauguration function was graced by Srimati Deepa Arul President Marayur Grama Panchayat, and esteemed dignitaries including Reverend Father Joseph Nelson Parish Priest, Sri Vijay Kalidas Block Member, Sri Jomon Thomas Panchayat Vice President, Sri Radish Kumar PTA President, Sri Arogya Swami UP PTA President, Reverend Sister Beena Sebastian Headmistress UP School, Sister Elsie Joseph LP School Headmistress. Their presence marked the joyful beginning of the new academic year, symbolizing strong community support and commitment to quality education. A prayer service was conducted by school students, invoking God's blessing upon the school and its activities. We warmly welcomed our new students with the symbolic gifts of pencils and balloons, inspiring them to write their bright futures and celebrate the start of their educational journey. World Environment Day. World Environment Day was celebrated with a special assembly emphasizing the need to encourage awareness and action for the protection of our environment on the theme Only One Earth. UP School Staff Secretary Srimati Ivy inaugurated the initial step of that journey of protecting the environment by planting a sapling in our campus. In her address, Ivy teacher stressed the importance of avoiding plastics inside the school campus and promoting eco-friendly practices. National Reading Day. To commemorate National Reading Day, the school hosted a vibrant reading week featuring various engaging activities and contests focused on reading. The initiative sought to cultivate a strong reading habit and instill a genuine appreciation for books among the students. Academic progress. To ensure holistic academic growth, our school conducts 3 midterm and 3 terminal assessments and Sugama exams. Post-evaluation, parents are called for a detailed review session where answer sheets are shared for verification and teachers conduct in one-on-one discussions with the parents. Each child's academic progress and areas for improvement. English Smart Class Program. To empower our students with strong communication skills, we conduct English Smart Class for all students. Students are assessed by trained smart English examiners. Successful candidates are awarded a certificate of achievement. A heartfelt loss. It is with profound grief that we share that on July 31st, 2025, our dear UKG student Nathania passed away following a sudden accident. Her innocent life was taken too soon, leaving us shattered. We hold her memory close and pray fervently for eternal peace of her soul. PTA General Body. The first PTA General Body was conducted by PTA President Sri Radish Kumar, who presided over the election of the new PTA Executive Committee for the academic year 2025-26. Sri Lafin was elected as the new PTA President, Srimati Regina as Vice President, and Sri Manikandan, Srimati Prabha, Sri Chiranjeevi, Sri Suresh. From teachers, Srimati Ansi, Srimati Reena, Srimati Joycey, Srimati Shashigala, Srimati Subida, Sister Arokya Mary are the executive members. Srimati Pramila was elected as the new Mother PTA President. Srimati Sita Suresh, Srimati Kirtana are the Mother PTA members. Independence Day celebration. The LP and UP school jointly celebrated Independence Day with great enthusiasm. Reverend Sister Beena Sebastian, Headmistress UP School, hosted the national flag, while Sri Arogya Swami, UP PTA President, presided over the function. Sri Vijay Kalidas, Block Panchayat member, Sister Elsie Joseph, LP Headmistress, and Srimati Regina, Vice President, delivered inspiring messages. Students from both sections presented vibrant cultural programs themed around Independence Day, fostering patriotism, unity, and national pride. Teachers' Day and Onam celebration. This year, Teachers' Day coincided with Onam holidays. Though the dates overlapped, students joyfully celebrated upon reopening with heartfelt wishes and exchanged handmade gifts, celebrating the spirit of appreciation and respect for educators. Onam celebration. Due to the ultimately passing of our beloved student Nathania, the school and the PTA decided to cancel Onam celebrations this year as a mark of respect and mourning. However, payasam was lovingly prepared by the PTA for students and shared quietly with staff as a gesture of solidarity, remembrance, and hope. School Kalolsavam and Sports. We are hosting the school level Kalolsavam, sports meet, and work experience. First place winners will receive prizes and represent our school at the sub-district Kalolsavam and sports competitions. This year at the sub-district Kalolsavam, our students narrowly missed first place by just 1 point, but proudly secured the second overall champions trophy with 54 points. In the work experience and on-the-spot competition at Munnar, 4 of our students walked away as winners.